Becoming an ethical hacker doesn't mean you have to master Kalinos and know how to use it. Yes, you need it, but there are some other software that you can use to do some quick scanning and will make the work very, very easier for you. And one software that I'm going to talk about is what? Angry IP. Angry IP helps you to scan IP addresses, and after some few minutes you can find the port numbers, some vulnerabilities inside. So let's dive right inside. So first thing that you have to do first is what? If you don't have the Angry IP on your laptop, then head straight to your browser, type Angry IP and click on the first link that comes. Click on it, it will open. This is how it will look like. Then you click on what? Free download, and when you open it, this is how it look like. So you can see over here, it automatically pick the IP address, then the IP max or the class of the IP address, then the name of the host. Now it pick. One thing that I love about this part is that you can scan for the IP ranges, random, text file, or anything. Now when you come here, this is the total normal count of what IP address that you want to scan. Yes, for now you click on start, then all the scanning will start for you. When you come here, threats 100 maximum. So if when you change the number over here from 100 to 1000, it is going to scan thousands of what IP addresses for you. It has colors. One is blue, one is red. Now the green one says that what the IP address has a port. The port is being what open for you. Now 26 seconds to do the scanning, so you don't have to wait or suffer too much. Now it scan what 100 IP address, host alive 6, and with one open port. So this the open port. You already know that port 80 is always open and port 443 is always open. So that is how it works. And try to get into it, scan, do small practicals, and you'll be good in your ethical hacking journey. I go by the name Koscyber. I hope this video help you and save you some time. Follow, like, comment, subscribe, and share.